In this lesson, you can learn how to design this 3D timeline infographic presentation slide in PowerPoint. Keys that I'm using during the design, you can see at the below bar. Follow these keys and watch the video till the end. Go to format background and I'm going to give it some different color and go to insert and take this half hollow shape by shift alt, holding shift alt and drag it. Take this anchor point and make it little bit curve, yes, and rotate it by through this handle, and I'm going to place it here by holding shift alt and make it little bit smaller. Shape outline, make it no outline, and I'm going to duplicate, control D to duplicate it, rotate, flip horizontally, yes, this one, and I'm going to place it here and give it some different color and place it here by holding alt. You can smoothly place it here that touch these two half hollow shape each other. Control D to duplicate it and place it here that yes, like this. Now I need just one for step number 5. Control D to duplicate it, and you can increase and decrease these steps according to your requirements. Okay, let me give it some different colors to everyone, and you can download a color palette from Google, and you can also give your own colors that belongs to your logo or company. You can also give these colors. Okay, let me give it another different color, and okay, go to again insert and take an oval shape and by holding shift alt and drag it like this. Okay, select this one, control shift C and control shift V to transfer the color and effect of this shape to the hollow shape. Oval shape, yes. Let me place it here one by one in the center of the half circle oval shape, and yes, like this. Place it in a row with the second one, and these things they make a design premium look. Okay, yes, let me select all these, and sorry, let me change this color one by one of these all shape according to the, yes, this one and this one goes green. Control A to select all and control G to group it. I'm going to give it some 3D rotation that it gives a 3D look. So I'm going to 3D rotation and pick this one, and let me make it a little bit bigger by holding shift alt, that when you are holding shift alt it become bigger from all direction and from all dimensions. And let me place it here, and I'm going to give it some depth also. Let me place it here first of all. Okay, and I'm going to give it some depth that it gives a 3D look. Go to depth, you can give its depth according to your desire, and you can also give it a shadow effect. You can use this is a flow, workflow, and a timeline for your business. And let me bring some icons. Go to this icon tab and just in the search icons bar, type your text, and you will find your desired icon here in this icon tab. I need growth icons, so I am picking this one and insert and bring it to the slide by holding Shift Alt and make it a little bit smaller. Oh, sorry, Control Z to bake, and I'm going to put these icon one by one over these all shapes in the center. Over these all shape in the center, let me place it here, the growth icon here, and the dollar icon goes here. Time icon goes in number 3, and setting icon goes in number 2, and idea will go in the first all shape, over the first all shape. Okay, let me place it here, these icons one by one, and I'm going to change these icons color. Okay, and give it some white color. Okay, I'm draw a line. Okay, and let me draw a line, and I'm going to give it some width will be 2 whole 1. I think it is also 2 whole 1 over 4, and the ending arrow will go this one. Give according to the shape this color and flip horizontally. Rotate and flip horizontally and place it here, and this line goes to the text that I will bring from another slide that I typed earlier to save the time. Friends, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Control D to duplicate it. Let me place it here that the text goes, and okay, let me place it here. Control D to duplicate it and place it here, and change this color according to the shape one by one. Shape outline, go to shape outline and pick this color according to the shape. Let me bring some text that I have typed earlier to save the time. Control C and Control V to bring it the slide. Okay, I am going to place the text here and change the headline color according to the shape. Yes. Select Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Again, select and Control D to duplicate it and place it here. Let me change these headlines color according to the shape, and this will take this color, and this headline will take this color. Okay, and this one this color, orange color, dark orange, and this is green. Now select the main headline text and place it at the center of the slide. Now I am going to make the text and go to the text option, and I'm going to give it some gradient. I need a 5 stop number 5, so I will take another stop, select and add another stop number 5. And now because there are 5 shapes in the design, so I'm going to give these stops these 5 colors one by one. Okay, now select and I'm going to give it some shadow effect also. This one, let me look how it look like it. Okay, the transparency will be 62, size will be 101, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get every time a new design. Thank you for watching.